County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southeastern Delaware County, western Licking County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bexley, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Hebron, Minerva Park, Grandville South, Beechwood Trail, Easton, Summit Station and Whitehall. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 123. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 110 and 115. Now for the official